Hey guys, William Saunders here, the co-founder of Print My ATM, and I'm just here to give you guys our monthly performance report for the month of October 2014. Alright, and excuse me guys, I'm just a tad bit late with this report here. I've been quite busy with a few birthdays, anniversaries, and also the weather out here in Florida is a little chilly, so alright, so first off guys, let's go ahead and cover the updates. We got quite a few updates that happened recently last month, so let's go ahead and jump into those. So let's head over to the home site, printmyuniversity.com. Alright guys, so whether you're a active PMA student or not, one thing you guys want to do is to head on down here and get up on this list here guys. Okay, we're going to be giving out additional information here that we will not have inside of the student lounge. Okay, so make sure you guys actually get inside here, review the information that we got coming out, especially around the 5th, 6th, and 7th week. You guys are going to start to see what it's like to live a trading lifestyle. Okay, so get in here whether you guys are active students or not. Alright, so the other thing you guys want to pay attention is also the news section here. So just a quick breakdown guys, the news section here is basically primarily going to have the webinar schedule, so make sure you guys check here. It comes out literally the first few days of the month, so if you guys are looking for the trading sessions, it will definitely be here. Okay, also if you guys are looking for those news alerts or the daily trades, that would be here as well, so keep in mind with that. So let's go ahead and see what the webinar dates are for, and we can kind of take a glance here. We see novice is actually coming up on the 14th guys, so make sure you register for that, and immediate is coming up on the 19th, and let's see, advanced is on the 24th. Okay, so we're gonna keep that here on the news section. Sometimes if I'm available, I'll post it inside the student lounge, but make sure you check the news section first, especially during the first week for the trading sessions. Alright, so let's come on up and let's take a look here. So for the newcomers, those of you that are actually interested in regards to what we have to offer, we have a long list of details here. Now keep in mind guys, the basic education is just that, it's the basics. This is not going to turn you guys into full-time traders. Okay, so for those of you that are on the basic and you're expecting to generate full-time income and leave your traditional job, or perhaps quit your MLM, you guys may want to hold off a little bit longer. The basic information is actually going to give you guys, of course, the average gain of 10 to 30% within a day. Okay, so keep that in mind. You guys can make profit. Okay, but the thing about the basics is that it's just the basic. There's a lot more to trading than this information here. Okay, so if you guys are looking more of a full-time trading, then definitely the intermediate section or higher would be your best interest. Alright, now if you guys have, let's say, a busy morning schedule to where you can't attend the trading sessions during the morning, or perhaps you cannot trade during the mornings as well, then the novice education would be best for you guys. Okay, you guys can pick out using a 4-line reversals and trade 24 hours around the clock. Okay, so that's pretty much how we have it set up. Now if you guys are on basic, then that's great. Take the information, use it, build your account up so that you can take the funds that you've earned from that account and actually upgrade to novice or intermediate. But as far as staying on basic, you guys do not want to do that for more than 6 months. Okay, especially if you're looking to trade full-time. And I tell all my students this way, especially those that are looking to generate a nice amount of money. We have no one on basic doing more than $10,000 a month. Okay, so keep that in mind. The highest we have on basics is roughly around $8,000 a month starting off. Anything over than that as far as profit, that goes to the next level. We have no one on novice doing more than $20,000 a month in profit. Okay, I believe our highest right now is roughly around $13,000 a month in profit, and that's technically just one student. Once again, we have no one in intermediate doing over $50,000 a month. Same thing, we have no one in advanced doing over $200,000 a month. So keep this information in mind. If you guys have a set income goal, if you want to do $10,000 a month, maybe starting off with novice would work a lot better if you guys are looking to do 50K a month, okay, intermediate or higher, okay. Now once again, just as a quick disclaimer, these are just based on the previous students' results and based on the past performance of what we've seen from the market. This does not mean that you guys will get the same exact results that everyone else is getting, okay, especially for the month of October. I mean, this has been a crazy trading month for us within the last 19 months, so this has been a true surprise, and that's just how trading is. All right, so another thing is, if you guys want to come on over to performances, and you guys can basically just come all the way down here. Okay, let's take a look here. So May 2014, you guys may want to review this. So this is for all of those that are asking exactly what does it look like to be inside. Okay, I did a full tour here during the May 2014 mark, also placed a couple trades and everything in that nature. Okay, so this is pretty much a insight of what we have in the community. Okay, all right, and another thing I want you guys to get more into, please submit in your testimonials. We got quite a few, but we want to make sure we're getting a lot more of our female traders. All right, we have a nice amount of students that are getting results. Okay, so if you guys are comfortable being in front of the video, just a quick 1 to 2 minute video of your experience. Okay, you guys do not need to read a script or anything like that. It's just of your experience with our community. Okay, and you guys can just go ahead and shoot those over via email at support@printmymembership.com. Alright, so let's head over to our performance report now. Okay, so as you guys see, we have the monthly performance here. We have it on a spreadsheet as always. So for the month of October, I've actually been tied up trading the much larger accounts. So we're talking about 7-figure accounts here. So I've taken a couple trades when I wasn't trading the other accounts. So I was basically using slots and also my trading sequences. Okay, so this is why you guys kind of see the trade size amounts a little bit smaller than what I normally would, and that's because my focus is not entirely on my main trading account. Alright, so I have several other trading accounts that's being managed for me with the auto traders that we have here on at intermediate and advanced. Also, I manage other larger trading accounts for clients as well. So for the month of October, the first week, I've basically taken 3 wins with 1 losses, a net profit of 5,600, and I can tell you guys within that week of actually trading, and during these 2 days, that was actually about 6 minutes of me just placing trades. Okay, so I wasn't analyzing the market, I didn't do anything like that, I didn't sit down, that was just kind of me just placing trades. Same thing that happened here around the 26th for the 4th week. It just took me about a minute or two just to kind of place those trades there. Alright, so for the month of October, of course, just with this trading account, these are long-term trades. I've gotten 5 wins, 1 loss, a net gain of $7,000. Okay, so once again, I have a few other trading accounts that are being managed for me. I do manage other large 7-figure trading accounts that I do not report on here. Okay, so let's head over to the intermediate students. Alright, so for the intermediate students, just in case you guys are not aware, guys, you get 3 portfolios, okay, per trading session. That's very important. Need I remind you guys, the reason why you should do your portfolio analysis is because number 1, it's included in your tuition. Number 2, this will keep your trading skills sharp, okay? Number 3, it will help you identify your trading schedule so that you can always have the same winning ratio. Number 4, it can increase your winning ratio if your winning ratio is down. Number 5, this helps us keep an eye up on the brokers to see what entry and exit prices everyone else is getting. Okay, so make sure you turn in your portfolios whether you guys are having success or whether you guys are not having the kind of success that you want. So you get 3 for the month. Alright, so right now we're just going to go ahead and review 2. So portfolio 12, we can see on the 6th that was a bank holiday, and of course hopefully you guys can see this. I'm not going to go into the details with all the little numbers here, but basically for portfolio 12 of that week, we see they've gotten 182 wins, 109 losses, a net profit of a little over $267,000. Okay, now keep in mind, guys, this is actually all of the intermediate students that actually submit their portfolio in. So there are a ton of you guys that are not submitting in your portfolios. Okay, on around average, we can say there's only about 22% are turning in their portfolios. All right, so make sure you guys get them in. We would like to see how well all of the students are performing. Okay, so for portfolio 13, we see that they have taken 221 wins, 93 losses, a flat profit of $336,000. For October, we have gotten intermediate students as a whole 403 wins, 202 losses, net profit of $603,500. Okay, so you guys did pretty well this month here on intermediate. So let's take a look at our advanced, guys. All right, so advanced, you guys get 4 portfolios analysis. All right, so make sure you get those in possibly every week. All right, so once again, we have the same thing. We just have about 3 portfolios from you guys, the 19th, 20th, and the 21st. So for portfolio number 19, our advanced students as a whole, everyone that have turned in our portfolios, we have gotten 198 wins with 46 losses, net gain of over $307,000. Okay, portfolio 20, 200 wins, we've taken 40 losses, a little over $297,000 in pure profit. And let's take a look here at portfolio 21. We've gotten 312 wins, 61 losses, and a flat profit of $396,000. All right, so keep in mind, guys, that this is not 60-second trades. These are all long-term trades. Okay, so we just add them up all together and let's see what we've done. For the month of October, advanced guys have taken 710 wins with 147 losses, a flat profit of $997,000. Okay, I believe you guys are up as well as far as last month. Okay, so let's go ahead and add everything together. So we take these wins, losses, profit. We take the same thing, the intermediate here, wins, losses, and profit. Then we go ahead and take the advanced guys, wins, losses, and profit. And we get our grand total for the month of October 2014. Okay, we have 1,118 wins, 350 losses, a net profit of $1,607,500. Okay, so basically I definitely want to congratulate you guys on advanced and intermediate. Okay, if we take a look here, we can see that we barely beat August by $200. July was pretty much our biggest month, and the reason being is that I can honestly say that I didn't take that many trades this month. If I was at my normal 6-figure monthly trades, I'm pretty sure we would have beaten July. Okay, so I think we're just short of a little under 170,000, 200,000 added onto this, and this would have been a record-breaking month. So very proud of you guys, and I definitely want you guys to keep up with the process, keep following it, follow risk management. Everything is simple, just keep it all together, guys. Be sure that you're turning in your portfolio for analysis. Be sure that you're attending the trading sessions. Also be sure that you guys are also getting those quizzes done. Okay, so once again, congratulations to all of the new students that recently joined the PMA community. Now if you guys are interested in binary option trading or interested in generating some income online without recruiting or selling or anything like that, then we basically have all the tools and resources that can guide you through success. Okay, now once again, you guys can just opt in on a home page and just learn some free lessons from there until you guys are ready to move forward. All right, so we wish everyone much success and of course, happy trading.